We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, good noon. This is NS Getia. Today we learn the same subject, same chapter, but topic is a differ. Okay, so our subject is a pharmaceutical organic chemistry 1. So subject code is a 20 of BP 202 TP, and chapter number 1, that is introduction of organic chemistry. Okay, so in this chapter we'll already discussed the some points like introduction and classification in our last lecture. So today's topic is a today's our study topic is a naming system, like nomenclature of based on the IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, so today we learn the naming system based on the IUPAC system. Okay, so in IUPAC rules, mainly 10 rules are here. So including the 10 rules. Okay, so first one is identify the parent hydrocarbon chain. The chain must have following properties. First we take the one parent hydrocarbon chain, that is hydrocarbon chain means carbon and hydrogen both are the included in a one atom, like alkane, any alkyl, alkene, alkane, or alkyl. Okay, so first property, first number is it should have maximum number of the substituents. Then second one is should have maximum number of the multiple bonds, and then should have maximum number of the single bonds, and also should have the maximum length. These are the 4 properties are included in the hydrocarbon chain. First one is a maximum number of the substituents, second one is a maximum number of the multiple bonds, and third one is a maximum number of the single bonds, and fourth one is a maximum length of that hydrocarbon chain. Okay, then second one property is identify the parent functional group. First we identify the parent functional group, which group attached with the hydrocarbon chain. So first identify the parent functional group. Okay, and then third one is identify the side chain, like carbon chain which are not in the parent chain but are the branch from it. Okay, so first identify the side chain, like identify the branches of that carbon parent hydrocarbon chain. Okay, then fourth one is identify the remaining functional group will be grouped together in the alphabetical order. Identify the remaining functional group, any functional group are the present over here, so we naming as per alphabetical order, like alpha carbon having a alpha beta gamma. Okay, so alpha methyl group, alpha ethyl group, as per that rule identify the remaining functional group over here, then its order grouped together in alphabetical orders. Okay, so fifth one is identify the double or triple bond. How many double or triple bond present in the our hydrocarbon chain? First they identify that. Okay, then sixth one is a number of the parent hydrocarbon parent chain is done and follows the rules. Mainly 3 rules here over here. So first one is has lowest number of the carbon to which substituents is directly attached. Okay, then second one is has the lowest number of the carbon adjacent to multiple bonds and lowest number of the prefix. First is what? Lowest number of the carbon to which substituents is directly attached. લોવસ્ટ નંબરમાં સબસ્ટિટ્યુઅન્ટ્સ હોવા જોઈએ, ડિરેક્ટલી અટેચ થયેલા કાર્બન્સ હોય એની સાથે. ઓકે, દેન લોવેસ્ટ નંબર ઓફ ધી કાર્બન એડજસન્ટ ટુ મલ્ટિપલ બોન્ડ્સ. એડજસન્ટ કાર્બનની સાથે મલ્ટિપલ બોન્ડ્સની સંખ્યાઓ ઓછી હોવી જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો એન્ડ થર્ડ વન ઇઝ અ લોવેસ્ટ નંબર ઓફ ધી પ્રિફિક્સ. ઓકે, then seventh is a numbering to the various substituents and bond is done if there is more than one same type of substituents double bonds in present. So we prefix, so we attach the prefix like di, tri, tetra is added. Okay, in prefix we attach the di, tri, tetra. Okay, but where numbering to various substituents and bonds is done if there is more than one same type of substituents, either double bonds, then we attach the prefix like di, tri, tetra. Okay, then eighth one is the number of the side chain will be grouped is ascending order and writing before the name of the side chain if these are two side chain with the same carbon number will be written twice. Okay, in this number of the side chain will be grouped ascending order. સાઇડ ચેન જે પણ છે આપણી કાર્બનની એને ફર્સ્ટ એસેન્ડિંગ ઓર્ડરમાં અરેન્જ કરવાની એન્ડ ધેન written the before name of the side chain. ડબલ સેમ સાઇડ ચેન બંને સાઈડ આવેલી હોય કાર્બનની તો એમાં તમે એનો નંબર ટ્વાઇસ કરીને એનું નામ ઇન્ક્લુડ કરી શકો છો. ઓકે, then ninth one is a double bond is written before triple bond. Double bond માં in આવશે like alkenes and written before the triple bond, and triple bond માં yn આવશે yen. Okay, en at a double bond and yen at a triple bonds. Then 10th number is a different punctuation are used like commas between the numbers, like 2, 5, 6 numbers છે તો ત્યાં તમારે વચ્ચે કોમા કરવાના. then hyphen between the number of the letters like 1, 2, 3 numbers અને letterની વચ્ચે hyphen like one small line attach કરવાની. and then continuous word are merged into one word, like continuously ત્રણ words હોય like dimethyl heptane. એ તમે ત્રણેય અલગ અલગ રીતે છૂટા છૂટા લખો બટ એને મર્જ કરી દેવાના અને કન્વર્ટ ઇન વન વર્ડ. ઓકે, કન્ટિન્યુઅસ વર્ડ આર મર્જ ઇન્ટુ વન વર્ડ. ઓકે, સો નેક્સ્ટ ઇઝ અ એક્ઝામ્પલ ઓફ ધી આલ્કેન્સ, ધેટ ઇઝ અ સેચ્યુરેટેડ હાઇડ્રોકાર્બન. ધ નેમ ઓફ ધી સ્ટ્રેટ ચેઇન saturated hydrocarbon up to 10 carbon chain are shows. So suffix is ane, then methane, alkane. एक carbon having methane, 2 carbon having ethane, 3 carbon having a propane, 4 carbon having a butane, and then 5 carbon having a pentane, 6 carbon then hexane, then 7 carbon then heptane, 8 carbon octane, 9 carbon nonane, and 10 carbon decane. These are the saturated hydrocarbon parent hydrocarbon chain namings. Okay, these are the examples of the alkanes. So thank you to all.